Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for choosing our video to watch today. This is Drew's Old Granny, and this morning I am in front of Railroad Riches, and this is the Sheriff's Edition. And I'll take you up to the top here, if it's gonna go. Oop, I did just get it, barely. That's what we're looking for today. So let's get this back in place. And I'm all set up and ready to go. I've got my $200 in the machine. I'm starting off on the 5-cent denomination and playing $3.75 a spin. Here we go. Oh, maybe. Oh my gosh, I figured that was going to be way too early to get a bonus. Hope everybody's doing well, having a good morning. Oh, second time's the charm. Nope. I'd really like to thank everybody that has come back to watch our videos. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your support. Oh, come on, bonus. Oh. Appreciate your support. We hope that you'll like this video, push that like button, thumbs up, and share, and consider subscribing. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, well. It's trying. It's trying, or teasing, whichever one you want to call it. So, I've only played this machine. Oh, that should be good. Yeah. Oh, that is a good one. 56 bucks. I will take that for sure. I've only played this machine maybe 2 or 3 times, so I'm not 100% sure about some things, like if you need 6 of the coins to trigger a bonus. I know that you need 3 of the bonus signs on the second, third, and fourth reel for one of the bonuses. So we'll just see what happens here. I tried to play this machine yesterday in another part of the casino, but there is a waterfall pretty close to the location of this particular machine that I was trying to play. And when I did my sound check, oh my gosh, the sound of that rushing water was just so loud I couldn't tape. So this one is in a different part of the casino. On the other side, no waterfall. It is very, very early in the morning. It's really quiet out here on the casino floor. Not a whole lot of people out and about yet. Come on, bonus. We want some kind of a bonus. If you'll please stay until the end of the video, as always, I have a new tidbit today for you, and we're still on emergency signs and symptoms of medical distress. I hope that you're finding some of these tidbits useful. We'd appreciate your comments. I am going to change this. I'm going to change the denom, and I'm going to change the bet to $3. See if we can't get some action here. see if this doesn't make this is the right bet number to trigger that bonus. So we really would appreciate your comments, what you like about the channel, what you don't like about the channel, any games that you'd like to see me play, any suggestions, changes, anything that you're that's missing. We can't improve if we don't know how you feel. And giving me different machines to play would be great too. So we are not doing well here. Wow, we're running out of spins. Oh, that would have been a nice star to get. Come on, come on. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, we've only got about 3 more spins. Yep, 3 more. Does that do something? Nope. Wow. Man, oh man, this went by really fast. Last spin. Well, that's it. Whoo-wee, that was a fast one. So we'll just move on to the tidbit and call it a morning. So today's medical symptoms are for heart attack. And of course, when this is occurring, time is of the essence. A lot of people describe a heart attack as feeling heavy pressure on the chest. There can be shortness of breath, severe sweating, even GI distress. You know, a lot of times people go to the hospital with GI distress thinking that they're having a heart attack, and a good dose of Mylanta takes care of it. But you don't want to take that chance. If you've got these symptoms, get to the emergency room. You can also have pain traveling down the arm, a significant change in the heart rate, either high or low. So keep alert. If you have heart disease or take heart medications, be sure your family knows these symptoms. Good luck to everyone today. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.